Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting prerequisites, class notes, formula sheet, and solved examples. Keep them within arm's reach. Begin with one chapter and scan its syllabus headings to identify must-know concepts and recurring problem types. Write a single-line chapter goal at the top. This directs effort. Then open your chosen notebook and title the page. Use one color for headings and another for formulas so your eyes find patterns quickly. Once done, set a 25-40-minute focus timer. Now you condense. Read a subtopic and reduce it to 1 to 3 crisp sentences that capture the how and why. This locks understanding. Make a mini formula box. List the equation, variables, units, and the condition to use it. Then write one solved 2-3-step example showing application. Annotate the trick or shortcut so you won't miss it under pressure. As you proceed, group similar problems together and mark exceptions with a symbol so retrieval is instant. Finish by refining. Within 24 hours, skim each page and star the 20% of items you flubbed or found tricky. You'll revisit those more. Compress each chapter into a one-page quick lookup sheet with only formulas, conditions, and the single hardest example. If you hit a block, rework the example step by step and compare with a trusted solution. Make a short note on why you erred. Make sure to schedule spaced reviews so the notes stay sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.